Slope goes by so many names in math. Slope, m, equals rate of change, equals rise over run, equals change in y over change in x. The simple equation is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. It's also known as slope is delta y over delta x, otherwise known as change in y over change in x. And it would typically be with something like, let's say we have 2 points, 0, 3, and 4, comma 8. So if I were to label this would be x1, y1, and this would be x2, y2. So find the slope here, the slope of this particular line going through these 2 points would be, remember, the y2 minus the y1. That would be 8 minus 3 on top. And the bottom, it would be 4 minus 0. Now, if you enter it in a calculator, make sure you enclose the numerators in parentheses and denominators in parentheses before you divide. But if you don't, you can do freehand, actually probably just as fast. So 8 minus 3 is 5, 4 minus 0 is 4. So you'd say, hey man, the slope of this particular line is 5/4.